Hey everyone, welcome to Pickle. Today we are making Rajasthani style Meetha Achar. It has a nice sweet and sour taste. So let's start. For this pickle, here we have took some raw mangoes. We have washed it well, dried with towel, peel and cut it in big pieces like this. After cutting, it will be about 500 grams of raw mango. Next we need 500 grams of sugar. Now we are going to add the sugar into a raw mango, and now we are going to mix it well. Now to this we are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we are going to mix this well as well. Now as we have coated our raw mangoes well with turmeric, salt and sugar, now we are going to let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. You can see the sugar is completely dissolved. Alright, so now we are going to cook it. So let's transfer everything into another bowl. Okay, so we are going to cook it on high flame, and you need to make sure that you keep it stirring continuously. If you leave it in between, it will burn. Also, you will see that sugar will be dissolved completely and form a sugar syrup. So you need to cook it until your sugar dissolves completely and also all the mangoes become soft and tender. So now you can see it has started boiling. But still the mangoes are not really cooked properly, they are not still soft and tender. So now we are going to just lower the flame and let it cook for until the mangoes get soft and tender, and make sure to stir it continuously. So now our mangoes have become soft and tender. I'll just show you one piece. You can see it's become tender and nice. So it is nice cooked. So let's add in the spices now. We're going to start by adding red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. You can add more or less of red chili powder according to your requirement. Half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of kalonji or onion seeds, half teaspoon of roasted methi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted hing. I will link all the ingredients with the measurements in the description box down below. As we added salt and turmeric before, so we are not going to add it now. So now we are going to mix everything well. So now we are going to cook it for more 2 minutes and keep on stirring it. So now it's been 2 minutes, so we are going to turn off the flame. So now I'll just show you the consistency of sugar syrup. Should be something like this. It has got a beautiful color. So now we are going to let it cool down completely for about 3 to 4 hours. Our Meetha Achar is ready. We have transferred it into a clean, dry plastic container. This pickle can be consumed after 8 to 10 days, and it can be stored for a year. It has a nice sweet and sour taste. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. We have many other pickle recipes on our channel Pickle, so check that out. I will also link it in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.